In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok Imagine to create music video. We'll walk through turning a simple text prompt into a compelling visual that pairs beautifully with your track. I'll keep it clear and practical, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to go from idea to an eye-catching clip. First, head to the Grok website. This is where everything happens. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Imagine. That's the creative workspace where you can build both images and videos from a prompt. It's designed to be straightforward, so don't worry if this is your first time using it. In the main field labeled Type to Imagine, write a descriptive prompt that matches the vibe of your music. For example, you might enter something like slow cinematic shot of a futuristic city at sunrise, soft light, wide angle, peaceful atmosphere with a person in frame. Think in terms of mood, lighting, camera style, and the key subject. If your song is mellow and atmospheric, lean into gentle movement and warm light. If it's energetic, try faster motion, bold colors, and a more dynamic angle. The clearer your scene, the better the results. Now click on Image. Generating a still first is a great way to lock in the look before you commit to a full clip. Check composition, color palette, and the overall feel. If the image is close but not quite right, tweak your wording to emphasize what matters most, like adding neon reflections or misty streets, then generate again to narrow in on the style that fits your track. When you're happy with the look, switch to video. Here, choose your resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. For general use, 16.9 at 1080p looks sharp. For vertical platforms, 916 is ideal. For square feeds, use 1:1. Keep duration tight at first. Shorter clips render faster and are easier to sync with a beat. You can always create multiple clips and combine them later for verses, hooks, and bridges. Next, click Submit or press Enter. Grok will process your request and render a preview. Let it finish, then review the motion, lighting, and pacing against your music. Finally, refine or add more. Adjust your prompt to nudge the scene, specify camera movement like slow dolly or gentle pan, or enhance mood with terms like soft haze or high contrast nightlife. Re-render until the look matches your song. Repeat the process to build additional clips with consistent style, and you'll have a set of visuals ready to assemble into a polished music video.